Hey there. So we are talking all things pop-ups today, and it's going to be an interesting one because I've got a few rants that come out on pop-ups. But let's get into this. So hey there, if you don't know me already, my name is Em and I am the owner and the head geek at Morris Bear Designs. We help women especially launch and grow successful online businesses and get clients consistently in their business. So making sure that you are having fun and being profitable, and you aren't sucking all of the life out of yourself and your business. So over the last few days, I've been diving into some Geek Speak. Set myself a challenge to go live every day, every work day, for 15 days to really give you some information and make sure. I'm going to apologize for the bird. It's summer. She's having a blast. Just block it out. Just block it out. This is my kid. This is how I roll. I don't have kids yet, but I have really, really loud animals. So I've been going live for the last few days. I think we're up to day 4, I think. And we're just diving into some of the words that you will hear from a digital marketer, from a website designer, from an ads manager, from a strategist, from anyone who is working in online strategy and online marketing. This is stuff we're going to throw at you, and it's stuff that you might not understand or you might want to understand better, and a little bit of the strategy and the reasoning why we do stuff. So if you do jump on, leave me a comment below whether you love your pop-ups, whether you hate them with a passion. Let me know in the comments. I'm checking back on them as it goes live over the next few days, as well as people start to watch it too. So feel free to tag and share away, and let's kick into it. So what technically is a pop-up? So I'm talking about the little boxes that will come up on your phone or on your computer when you're looking at websites, and they just go bam, straight in your face. Now, they're a double-edged sword. Most pop-ups will be for a lead magnet. So we covered that a few days back, I think. And as a tool to get people subscribed to your mailing list so that you can actually re-engage with them and create a relationship and build that trust. And they are phenomenal at that. The statistics around pop-ups are ridiculous. You're talking 600, 6,000 sometimes % sign-up rates, which is crazy. It's exceptional. But, and there is always a but, they're not always used to the best of their advantage. In fact, earlier this year, Google actually started penalizing you if you had a pop-up that was inconveniencing your clients. And it goes back to everything we talk about. If you are not making sure that your website is working for your clients, then you are doing a great disservice to yourself and to your bookings. So you need to make sure that when you work out what you're doing with your website, when you're looking at your online presence in your social media, your website, anything that your clients are using to connect with you, you need to be driving your customers' needs first. And I would say 90% of website designers are doing it wrong. They're designing for what their client wants, so the business owner, what the business owner wants, and not what the clients need. And that's where website designers in general are doing a great disservice, and it's one of the ways that you can actually make your business better. So if you go into all of your marketing, all of your digital stuff with the basis of what makes my clients better, you will always win. Always. So Google started penalizing for if a pop-up got in the way, if it was hard to close, if it didn't comply with privacy and things. Google actually started kicking you out of search results. You'd just lose your rankings, lose any kind of momentum that you'd built up organically, and it would just go away. So, if you were going to use pop-ups, there are a couple of rules about making sure that they are customer friendly and that they will actually work to your advantage rather than work against you. So think about this. Have you ever, and let me know below, have you ever gone to a website where the minute you land on their homepage, you were hit with a pop-up that just said, just subscribe? Or they maybe had here's take 10% off your first order. The thing is, they're asking for the proposal. They're asking for the marriage on a first date. You're not going to do it in person. You're not going to ask, the first time you go out with someone, you're not going to ask them to marry you. So give them a minute. You will increase your subscribe rates because you are taking care to make sure that if someone scrolled down to 50% of your page, which all of your pop-up builders will have the option to actually say, prompt this at 50% of my scroll. If it's 10 seconds, 15 seconds, let them sink in about what you do and then give them something irresistible. Make it so good that they can't resist it. That's the epitome to everything. You want to make it so good that it's really hard for them to say, you know what, I'm not going to give them my email address. It's not worth it for that. Subscribe to my newsletter doesn't say you're worth me investing in my email address in you. It doesn't. Flat out, it just doesn't. It doesn't say anything about what you're doing, what you're sending them, how they're going to get it, how often they're going to get it, what's in it for them. So you need to be driving with that. So you want to make sure that it's valuable, that it's convenient, so they can pop out of it nice and easy. Go as far as turning it off for mobile phones where it's going to be harder to take that away. You want to make the entire experience pleasant, comfortable, and simple. And that's the epitome of getting someone to go from having no idea who you are to paying you money to work with you. So, pop-ups in a nutshell, the little box. Responsible pop-upping is a different story, and I really would love to know if you've been hit with a pop-up before, how it's made you feel, what your reaction to it was. I've seen some great pop-ups, and 9 times out of 10 I'll subscribe to them, but I've seen a lot that I just click straight out of because I'm not getting anything for it as well. So there you have it. They are a fantastic way to grow your list, to really get that targeted audience that you need, but use them with caution. So I will be back again tomorrow with another tip. I think we're talking maybe Facebook pixels tomorrow. Seems like a good one. Why not? We'll put it up there. We're doing Facebook pixels tomorrow. So explaining what that is, how it works, why you need it, what it covers. So that will be tomorrow's. But if you have any questions about what to include in your pop-up, feel free to tag me below and I will take a look. And I will see you all again tomorrow. See ya.